So the first thing we're going to do is grab these boxes so they have it in Dollar Tree and put some money inside. Then go ahead and close your box up and put some hot glue at the bottom of your bottle. Make sure not to put too much so they could be able to just pull it out and they could drink it. So then after you do that, go ahead and attach your candy. And here you could choose any type of candy that your father likes. My dad loves chocolate, so I decided to do a few chocolate. You could do peanuts or whatever they like. So then I'm just going to go ahead and continue attaching my candy to the bottom. Then go ahead and grab these ribbons and I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the front. And I made these cute little tags that says cheers to the greatest dad. And then I'm just going to go ahead and attach it to the bottom. And this is how cute everything turns out. I'm pretty sure your dad will love it. It's pretty simple to do and it looks super cute. For the next DIY, just go ahead and grab one of these toolboxes from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to go ahead and fill it up inside. Here I chose stuff for the cars, supplies for the cars, because you know dad always loves to clean their cars and have their car clean. So I think this is perfectly. I just went ahead and put a few bottles and wipes inside and I'm just going to go ahead and put a sponge inside just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab a little thread and I'm just going to go ahead and put my top up and through the yellow part. I'm just going to put it through it and then through the bottle and I'm just going to go ahead and tie it in the back. Just like that, I'm going to go ahead and tie it. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my sign that says Happy Father's Day and I'm going to attach it to the front just like that. Then go ahead and grab your bags. I'm going to open them up like that and I'm just going to grab my little basket and put it inside. Then go ahead and grab these ribbons that comes in the bag as well and just go ahead and tie it in the top just like that. Then go ahead and grab your two balloons and attach them together. Then grab another blue one and just twist it around like that so it can stay in place. And you're going to go ahead and put it on the top. What you're going to do next is grab the two red balloons and twist it around so it can attach perfectly to the bag. Then go ahead and grab some ribbons, any color that you would like, and then just place it in the middle and then just measure it to see what size. They both the same size and just go ahead and cut it out. And this is how cute it turns out. I think it's super cute and practical and I think your dad will love it. So for the next DIY, what I did was grab a mason jar and I'm just going to go ahead and open it up and I'm going to grab some oatmeal and I'm just going to fill it up like halfway. I took some cocoa and I'm just going to go ahead and place it inside. For this one, you could use coffee or whatever your dad likes. My dad loves oatmeal, so I decided to do this one. Just go ahead and grab a few marshmallow and just put it inside. Then go ahead and I grab this bag and I put some cookie inside. But in here, you could just do a watch or perfume, whatever you're going to give your dad. Just use your imagination and put something cute inside. Then I grabbed this little tray and I put it on top of my little DIYs that I did. And candies, here you could choose whatever candy your dad likes. My dad loves chocolate and sweet, so that's why I'm doing this thing. I did this sign that says Te amo papi, which means I love you daddy. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach it to the top of the bag. Then once you do that, just go ahead and grab some tape and make sure to attach it to the bottle of the candy so they don't fall apart. Then just attach everything together. Then go ahead and close your bag just like that. And then go ahead and do the same thing we did earlier with the balloons to place it on top. Then you're going to do the same thing and just grab your ribbons and just put it inside. I hope you guys like it. Thanks again and thank you for watching Special Creations by Nelly.